What's up, Tina's family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Tuxx, and
your girl Sera.
So we're just here in Vietnam, man. It was a surprise little gift for sis. So yeah, we're here for a nice little getaway with our family.
Okay guys, we got in last night around 9, but we didn't get out into a hotel until like 10:38. So how did we get here? Funniest story, I was trying to go on a girls trip with one of my girls, but my husband was like, I actually ruined the surprise for myself. I've been talking about coming to Vietnam for the longest time. And so my husband thought that he would surprise me by bringing me to Vietnam. But guys, I'm so excited because we've never been here before and it's just so exciting being in a new country. We are here on a wet season. Thank God it's not rainy. Although it is a raining season, it is still so hot. So yeah, we came in, we went and got some essentials from Circle K, and then we went to sleep. We were so tired, so knackered. Our flight over was really good. So I actually did really well. Hey honey, the only thing was that he didn't want to go to sleep until the last 2 hours. Then he decided, oh yeah, I'm tired. But besides that, he was all good. Guys, let us give you a tour of our room. This room, we actually booked another place, but all the reviews kept telling us to cancel. So we canceled that room. And then I found this one literally 4 hours before we flew here. I booked this room was because all the other rooms, like all the other hotels were saying like their beds were like a double or something. So we needed a room with 2 beds because I was not going to be squeezing on top of my son and Taru fighting for space, because I already do that back at home.
So this is obviously the kitchen, the lounge area sort of. Hey, then come here, got the bathroom, and our beds. Our bedroom got the TV. Yeah.
And then this this is the window.
It's like 8, something going on to 9ish. So we're gonna go downstairs, have breakfast, because can you hear that? He's hungry. Hey, baby.
This hotel we found on booking.com. It's called Rosa Zen Hotel. It was really cheap. So we could have stayed in a really expensive hotel and a fancy one, and which I would normally do, but I kept telling my husband, I was like, we need to like explore like the cheapest hotels as well. So we haven't booked anything other than this hotel for 4 days. This room cost us about 200 Australian dollars. Anyways, guys, we're gonna bring you guys down with us to breakfast. I'm gonna go wash my face and brush my teeth. Or, honey, are we coming back or are we going and going? We'll see you downstairs for breakfast. Let's go. Velotu.
So that's To's version of Fafita Yesu. Right here, I've got a bit of pho. I've looking forward to, bro. And then we got random stuff. We got the dumplings, spring rolls. I don't know what that is. But try it. Sausages, chicken, eggs, obviously. So I want an egg. This. Oh, sorry, yeah, I'll do it for you.
Whoa.
I've been seeing that everywhere.
So this is what I've been looking forward to. Just tastes mad. Tastes so good. Authentic pho. Rest of the breakfast was here. It's good. It's alright. So enjoyed the fried rice. Now he's eating a banana. I think he might have some watermelon. Says it's tapped up.
Okay guys, we finally left the hotel. Watch your step, baby. When we finished breakfast, we went upstairs and I fell asleep. I told Taru, I was like, wake me up in 10 minutes. I'll just have a quick little nap. This guy let me nap for like, how long, honey, did you let me nap for?
It was a while.
He said he didn't want to wake me up. He just wanted me to rest. So I had a good nap while him and Tua just waited for me to wake up from my nap. We've been walking for a while. Anyways, guys, day one vlog, we're not really doing that much. Well, we'll see what we end up doing. But we're just so excited that we get to try a new country, and the vlogs are gonna be on, guys. Let's just hope that Vietnam weather holds up, because we're in their wet season.
Xin chào. No, you stay up here because I don't know if he's good.
I have to start getting his shoe. You get your shoe clean?
Okay.
A lot of those people that clean your shoe. One guy grabbed Taru's foot, literally trying to take Taru's croc off. And Taru's like, no, it's okay. So then they tried to get Tua's foot. Ben Tang. Oh, guys.
Yes.
Do you have any tips on crossing the road?
Just kind of slowly. The cars will stop, the scooters won't.
Do you want to get down?
Yeah, okay.
That smells really good.
Stay closer.
Fish market too.
I say cheap bông, ngay bên luôn.
Thank you, darling.
Cái món không phần chi phí chứ.
The Mangongi is like, the smell is familiar. Like,
You're used to
like,
this now?
like, you know, when you get to the Asian markets back home, it smells like this. Like, yeah.
He's asleep.
He was fighting it. He done pretty good.
He did, but he was fighting it, and I think that's why he wanted to do that Starbucks stop. But guys, we're gonna do money exchange, and we'll be back.
Alright guys, so we have made it out, and it is a beautiful night. It's like a little bit spitting, but nothing too crazy. Baby.
Guys, I'm actually so hungry, but guys, this place is so beautiful. I'm just worried that it's gonna start raining. It says it's gonna be light drizzle, and guys, we went home from Ben Tang Market because this guy fell asleep.
Yeah.
And so as soon as we got home, what did he do? Wake up. Taru ended up having a little nap, and then we came out. So we're gonna go find somewhere to eat, and then hopefully get some more content before we end the day of day one in Ho Chi Minh City.
Look at this, man. It's crazy.
You gonna race me? Are you marks? Is it? Yeah.
Says is feeling quite brave. She saw this on TikTok University. She wants to give it a shot. I can't let her do it by herself, so we'll both hit it. Unsure on the ingredients, but it smells very good. The charcoal. I think Says was saying they call it like a pizza. So my man said it was 30K. I'm gonna give him this 50.
Do you have smaller? 30? How much is that?
50. Yeah, we got some gongcha. Look at these bags. That's crazy. Thank you. Carmen. Go and try and get towards this little balloon for you.
He really wants a balloon. We're not gonna say no. He's on holiday. My son can get whatever he wants.
He's got it.
But in Melbourne, that's enough. Yeah. How much is this one? Not 50. 50? 50, darling. 50, I'll give it to you now.
Okay guys, we see the tour's got his toy. So look, show the camera. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. Ladies first.
No.
Nice.
Okay, we're gonna give it a go.
And like a coconutty flavor.
That's good.
Gotta give it 2. Pepe.
Okay guys, this is that famous cafe that we see all over TikTok. We're gonna go there another day, but yeah, just thought we'll show you this place.
How cool, eh? So they're all just in that one block.
Yeah.
Holy.
And they're all just cafes.
That's crazy. Not even gonna lie, man. It's so beautiful here. The night lights. The Samoa's way better.
Guys, the game's on tomorrow. And we forgot to bring our Samoa flag so we can rip it in Saigon.
Saigon, Vietnam. Go to, go to. What's it to? Thank you. We're looking for something to eat. I think we might just try this one. It says it's plenty of rock.
I'm scared. Oh, Japanese style, honey.
Where's that place with the big M? The yellow.
The yellow
The
arch.
golden arches.
I think we walked down here, honey. That's the hotel we walked past. There is so many hotels that have the same name and then like ending with something else. Like, for example, A25 name or something. But there's heaps of A25, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll show you when we get there. Guys, the restaurant we chose is this. Macca's. Everyone knows that have been there. They got some of the bombest chicken, so looking forward to it. Hey, sun is all showered up.
So guys, we ended up at Golden Arches because we just couldn't decide where to go and eat. Like, there were so many Korean barbecue places, Japanese places. I don't even know what we were trying to look for, but nothing was like telling us, yes, pick us to eat. So tomorrow, I hope we can do better because we just been walking around. Yeah, you can eat it. Oh, crunchy. It's a bit spicy, son.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment,
share, and subscribe.
Bye.